Have you ever come across a box of old coins and you have no idea how much they're worth? In this video, I'm going to show you an example of someone that came across a box of old coins and was able to sell them for more than $10,000. So what you need to know first is that the United States minted wheat pennies from 1909 to 1958. The 1909 wheat penny is generally seen as one of the most valuable coins, especially in high grade. This coin, for example, that graded by PCGS a proof 65 sold for $47,437. Really quick, a proof coin essentially means that the backdrop or field of the coin is very reflective, like a mirror. If you have a coin like that, you could have a proof coin, and depending on the date and condition will dictate how much your coin is actually worth. So the 1909S coins can sometimes be worth more money. Now, how do you know if you have a 1909S? Well, if you look under the date, you'll see a small little S mint mark standing for the San Francisco mint where this coin was minted. This one was graded by PCGS a mint state 67. Remember, the highest achievable grade in grading is 70, so this one's getting close. And this coin sold for $51,750. Now, if you have a 1909S VDB coin, you could have a coin worth a whole lot more money. Now, how do you know if you have one of those? Well, look at the 1909, make sure there is an S mint mark, and then when you flip the coin over and look on the back bottom center of the coin, you will see some small initials of VDB. If you have that combination, the 1909, the S, the VDB, and the coin is in a very high graded condition, the coin's going to be worth a whole lot more money than the ones you just saw in this video. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed. So you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. So let me show you this box of old wheat pennies that sold for over $10,000. So when I first saw this listing on eBay, I was very skeptical about the validity of how much it actually sold for. This first example here, you can see this coin is in low condition, but there is the VDB initials on the back bottom center of the coin like we were just talking about. So this person pretty much says, hey, there's an old box of coins. He says, look at the pictures carefully, then make your bid. So to me, looking at this lot of coins, I was going through them and putting a value on everything, and I determined that the value would be nowhere near this amount. This is a good learning lesson for a lot of you. If you ever go ahead and buy anything on eBay, be very skeptical, do your homework and do your research, because there are scammers out there looking to try to make a quick buck off of people. So if we go over to the bid history of this listing, you will see the bidding starts at 99 cents and it goes all the way up from $2 to $9 to $12, and then it jumps up to $4,260. This is a huge red flag. Not to mention, if you look on the left side of the screen, you will see the bidder. It has the bidder's name hidden, so you can't see exactly their full name, but you can see their feedback. Generally speaking, if someone has a 0 or a 1 feedback, there's a possibility that it's a fake account. So what this person likely did is they either had a fake account themselves, or they told their friend to bid on the item for them to make it increase in value. Now, what this person probably had in mind is they were hoping that someone would see this listing and say, wow, someone's bidding over $9,000. It's probably a good deal. I'm going to try to buy it myself. But from what it looks like here, it looks like luckily nobody got scammed and ripped off, because you can see at the top it says not a registered user. Now again, we can't be for certain that this didn't actually sell, but from my experience on eBay, this was the seller bidding on his own item on a different account, making it look like the coins are actually much more valuable than they are. Be careful out there, guys. There are some bad people out there. Did you know YouTube knows exactly what video you want to watch next? Well, they think they know at least, and that video is on the screen right now. So make sure you click on that video and I'll see you inside.